Good afternoon to all citizens of South Africa. Today I want to give you a unique opportunity. Remember this moment because it could become the most important one in your life. Would you like to earn 17,000 rands today and then receive this amount every day? All you need is just 5 minutes and our experts will do the rest. Yes, you heard right. In less than 24 hours, you will receive your first 17,000 rands and then 17,000 rands every day for the rest of your life. And the best part is that this is absolutely real. Do you have 5 minutes? You can set a timer right now. That's exactly how long it takes to start earning money you never even dreamed of. Sounds good? Then keep listening. This is not a myth. This is a system that has already changed the lives of thousands of South African citizens. It is completely safe. No risks, no pitfalls, no hidden fees. Many people have already seen that this method works. I understand what you're thinking right now. This is too good to be true. But listen to me. I'm not here to promise you millions out of thin air. I am giving you a real proven way to achieve the financial stability you deserve. 17,000 rands a day is more than 500,000 rands a month. That means a life without debt, without stress, without constantly thinking about how to make it to the next payday. This is an opportunity to live the life you've always dreamed of. Traveling, buying a new home, securing a better future for your children, and most importantly, it works. I am personally prepared to refund up to 500,000 rand to those participants who fail to make money from this project because it is very unlikely. This project was launched by me together with Elon Musk, the most influential entrepreneur of our time. Together, we guarantee its safety. To minimize the risks for citizens, a special financial fund has been set up that is controlled by the largest banks in South Africa. I personally tested this project by investing just 4,500 rands and earning 17,000 rands on the very first day. After seeing its profitability and safety, I strongly recommend that all South Africans participate in this project. We have created a unique financial system based on algorithms used by the world's richest people. During the crisis, we tested this system on a limited group of people. As a result, each participant earned over 120,000 rands in the first week. And what's important, you don't need to have a special education, you don't need to understand anything about financial markets, and you don't need to risk your own money. This is not forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, or network marketing. This is a proven financial model that is guaranteed to make a profit. All you need is to be a citizen of South Africa and at least 25 years old. This age was chosen for a reason. We are creating a community of people who understand the importance of stable income and are ready to use financial opportunities wisely and responsibly. If you've ever followed the news, you know that during crises, most people lose everything, their homes, businesses, and money. And now think, what happens to the rich? They become even richer. Why? Because they know how to make money in any situation. And today, I am revealing this secret and showing you how to do the same. If you are still listening, it means you still have a chance. The demand for this project is very high, so the number of spots is limited and registration will close in 2 days. We will select only 100 people who will get access to this unique opportunity. If you do nothing now, someone else will get this chance and you will just return to your normal life. Bills to pay, loans you've been paying off for years, and dreams of a vacation or a new car. And now an honest question. Is this what you want, or are you ready to take your life into your own hands and change everything? What do you need to do right now? Click the link below this video, fill out the short form. It will take 2 minutes. Wait for a call from our representative, and within 24 hours, you will receive your first profit, 17,000 rands per day. This can be your reality, but only if you act now. Don't put it off, don't wait, don't hesitate. Act now and see the result.